So with the release of iOS 18, Apple added some really nice home screen customization features. You can now go ahead and customize the icons on your home screen with different tint colors. You have light or dark mode, you have large or small icons, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are really enjoying a lot of these new customization features. But if you're anything like me and want to customize your iPhone even further, today I'm going to show you how to add a custom carrier logo or carrier name to your iPhone, as you can see right there. Now I can lock my device here. Let me go and unlock my iPhone. And when I wake it up, take a look on the top left right there. I have the emoji, the iDevice Help logo scrolling through, a custom carrier logo. I'm going to show you how to get that on your iPhone right now. It only takes about 5 minutes to get this done. You only have to do it once. And if you love to customize your device, this is definitely the video for you. Let me show you how simple it is to get a custom carrier logo running iOS 18. Now, the first thing you need to do is you want to head on over into settings here. Then you want to go into your iCloud settings. Then you want to go into Find My. And just for the purpose of this video, make sure you turn off Find My. Don't forget to turn it back on once you're done. So make sure you turn off Find My for the purpose of this tutorial. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So obviously all the links will be available in the description down below. Make sure you download the Cowabunga application for Mac or Windows. Make sure you download the one for your machine. Once you download it, obviously you want to go into your downloads folder and launch the Cowabunga Lite application on your desktop. Now for Mac, you want to go into System Preferences right here, or System Settings. Before you launch the application, you need to provide permissions. So we're going to go right here and we're going to go into the Privacy and Security right here, and then scroll down. And then what you want to do is allow permissions. So right here it is, Cowabunga Lite. Go ahead and open anyway. And there we go. We can close out this pop-up here and then try launching the application once again. And it should allow us to run the Cowabunga application. So run anyway, just like so, and then open anyway. Now right here is going to ask you to use your fingerprint or your passcode to make sure you authenticate, and now we're in. So now once you launch the application, all you have to do is make sure you plug in your iPhone to your computer. So obviously go ahead and plug in your device to your machine, and it will be recognized right here. You'll see that your iPhone should populate right here, and if it doesn't, make sure you just click that refresh button just like so, and now you're set and ready to go. Now all we have to do here is simply go into status bar right there, and then you want to go ahead and click on modified, and then right here you have primary cell service right there, carrier, change primary carrier text. So right there you see my emoji, my logo. I can change that to whatever I want. Obviously I can go ahead and select any emoji that I want. So let me go ahead and change the emoji to something else. Let's say I want this, let's say I want the fire emoji. So just go here, click copy. Again, all the links will be down below, guys, in case you want to go ahead and paste an emoji here as well. So just go ahead and add anything you want here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this fire emoji just like so. So that is what I want. You can also change your secondary carrier name. So if you have two lines on your phone, right, you can actually change both lines carrier names. But I'm just going to do the one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and once we're ready, click apply. And then once the iPhone is connected, we can go ahead and click apply tweak, and you'll see your iPhone will restart here in just a few seconds. It will be right back once it reboots, and I should have that new carrier name. So instead of having the emoji plus the iDevice Help logo, now it should be the iDevice Help logo and the fire emoji. Now obviously for you, you get to choose whatever it is that you want, and once your iPhone completely reboots, you'll have a brand new carrier name, carrier logo. You can do this with emojis, text, logos. This is really cool, and it only takes about 5 minutes of your time, and you only have to set it up once. So once the iPhone reboots here, I can go ahead and unlock my device here, go through the initial setup process. Don't worry, guys, this is totally normal. Just go ahead and wait for the initial setup process, just like so. It goes away, and now I can go into the control center here, and I have the brand new custom emoji name, as you can see right there. This is pretty cool if you like to customize your device. I highly recommend you check out the Cowabunga Lite application on your device, again, compatible with Mac and Windows. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.